become a millionaire through taking actions. Well, a lot of people will still say, how can I become a millionaire, or how can I be successful through taking actions? Well, it's very simple and straightforward. If you start taking action, if you have a dream and you start taking action, you start working on it, it's very simple to win, because you have started working on it every single day. You have started taking action. Even a farmer can't expect the result without taking action. So for a farmer to expect the result, action is what is needed. You need to start working on it every single time, every single day. Okay, right now, okay, I've planted. Okay, so I need to add some fertilizer. Okay, so I need to add some organic fertilizer. I need to add up this. I need to add up this. Protecting these fruits. So what you need is, you need to start taking action and start working on it every single day. You need to be watering it like a seed. You can't plant a seed and be there over time, forcing it to grow and watering it every single minute or every single second, saying grow, 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 grow. No, the seed can't grow. Why? Because it won't grow right away. The seed will grow, but it required time and discipline. You need to be watering it every single day. So if you want to become a millionaire, you need to start taking action right now and start working on it. Not just taking action. No, you can't just plant a seed and you're not working on it, you're not watering it. No, the seed won't grow. Why? Because you're not working on it, you're not watering it, you're not doing it. Everything, you're not doing everything required for the seed to grow. So if you want to become a millionaire, same as a person who has planted the seed and is protecting it, watering it every single time. So if you want to become a millionaire, you need to have goals, you need to have dreams, you need to have plan, then start taking action, start working on it every single time. That's when you will win. I've seen a lot of people say, oh, I have dreams, I want to become rich. Oh, how will you become rich, or how will you get rich? Oh, one day win. Oh, you are not going to have money. Why? Because you are not taking action, you are not planning everything. So if you have plans, if you have dreams, you want those things to work, you want to become successful, you want to become rich, start taking action, start working on it every single day. Then you win, brother, and you become successful. You have everything you have ever desired in life. So you just need to start taking action. Action is needed. That's all, brother. You will win.
Yeah, it's very simple and straightforward, guys. Like my brother said, if you want to become a millionaire, you need to be taking action. So if you see a lot of millionaires, a lot of billionaires, or anyone who just successful, they was taking action. Action is the only thing that will make you to become successful in life. So I see a lot of people, they are not doing anything, and but they are reading books, they are doing anything, they are learning these skills, but they're not inputting the action, brother. They lose. One thing you need to understand, guys, one thing you need to remember is that no matter how many books you read, no matter how you become knowledgeable, no matter everything that you input in your head, only if you're not taking action, it will never ever make a difference. You just remain where you are. So I try to tell a lot of people, one could say it best that failing to prepare is preparing to fail. So you understand. So one thing you need to understand is you need to start preparing, guys. Okay, then you need to do this and do this. Then once you prepare, it's same as you have done it, brother. So once you understand, okay, I need to be doing this, I need to be doing this. Let's say you read a book, you do this, you just input the knowledge, put action. Don't say, no, first I need to keep having knowledge. No, you don't need to do that, brother. You don't need to do that. There's one quote which said it best again, that says, like, you don't need to be great to start, but you need to start to be great. So if you're only inputting the knowledge in your head and you're not doing it, you're not training, you're not practicing, how are you going to win, brother? You're going to lose. So one thing you need to understand is you don't need to be waiting and just saying, no, brother, but I have a lot of knowledge, I'm smart, I'm smart, because some people are taking action and they're winning, and you're saying, no, I have knowledge, brother, I have knowledge, but you're not winning, brother. So one thing you need to understand is that you need to be taking action. For example, let me give you an example. 2 kids, trying to learn how to ride a bicycle. One child He's just trying to read how to ride a bicycle. He just get a book and trying to read how to ride a bicycle. He goes on internet, you know, just checking how can I ride a bicycle, I can ride a bicycle, you know. And then the other kid, he just starting making action, you know, he just start taking action, and he just trying to ride the bicycle every day. When he fall, he get up, before he get up. Who's going to know how to ride a bicycle? Who's going to know well how to ride a bicycle? The one who have experience, brother. The one who is riding a bicycle. The one who is getting the bicycle and trying to take action. So here, only action will make you to win in life. If you're not taking action, don't even expect yourself to be expert on what you do. You understand? So the only thing that will make you to become successful is to take action. But if you're not taking action, you're not going to win. And the reason why you are not going to win is you don't have experience. You don't know anything. You're just trying to say, no, I have, I'm smart in my head, you know, I have a knowledge, you know, in my head, you know. So everything this I know, but you're not taking action. You don't even know how you can have another strategy. Because if you're taking action, you can think, okay, I did this, I failed. Okay, cool. What mistake did I do? Okay, I did this. Okay, cool. So the thing that I made to do, or the thing that I did, I need to do this other thing. So for me to win, you understand? So you are taking action, having experience. You are saying, okay, this that I used, the way that I use is not a good way. I need to use another one. But if you're only reading, you think you have knowledge, brother. You're reading, but I'm too smart. You know, I know this. You're not having experience. So try to understand. The only thing that will make you become successful is by taking action. Thank you guys for watching. You can like and subscribe and turn on notification bell so that each time when we post the video, you'll be notified. Thank you very much, guys. See you all in the next video.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.